I'm Justin Robertson.
I'm Lynde Robertson.
And this is
Clark's Winter Wonderland.
So our house is called Clark's Winter Wonderland because we are on Clark Avenue here in Burbank, but it also ties into Clark Griswold and Christmas Vacation. Well, every year it takes us anywhere between 6 and 8 days to get this show up and running. It is absolutely a labor of love. We have over 15,000 channels of lights, a snow machine. We also have fog jets, and it also lights up.
Enough all this talk. Let's go see the decorations.
I'm going this way.
All right.
First thing that you notice are these 20-foot mega trees. Each one of these strands are conducted by one box. Each one of these lights has 16 million different colors that you can mix and change, which is quite cool. And since I have the older brother working with the bigger trees, let's go to my little brother with the smaller trees.
This is a mini tree, and there are exactly 8 mini trees. Each tree has 600 lights. This entire tree is actually made out of tomato cage. And all these lights are operated by the computer in my dad's house.
What a lot of people don't know is a lot of our display pieces are actually DIY projects that I've put together and then Justin programs to fit into the show. What we call our sparkle balls are actually just plastic cups that have the bottom drilled out and the light stuck through. I made them with red, white, and green lights. You can tell this one's been outside for a little while, so it actually needs to be redone at this point, but that's a project for next year.
This is my master binder. This has our whole show broken down on paper, all our controllers, all our channels. We've had this show now for 8 years. We've slowly, over the years, been adding more and more to it. So this is the main computer that runs the show. We have roughly over 15,000 channels of lights. So with just one click of the button, voila, the whole show comes on. It doesn't rain in Southern California, but every 36 minutes it snows. And you know, kids come out here and play in the snow. It's a great opportunity for families to come and take pictures and get the perfect holiday moment. So right here we have our radio sign because we have our FM transmitter sending out the music to people out in their cars. And we get people who come by and tell us this has become a new family tradition for them, and they come back every year, and it's really wonderful to hear that. Well, that's it for the tour. Come on and join us anytime here at Clark's Winter Wonderland. Happy Holidays!
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.